Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Chocolate ganache makes any food taste great. It's mostly used to coat cakes, brownies, eclairs, truffles and many more. Now let's make a silky and smooth chocolate ganache. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Heat half a cup of heavy whipping cream. It need not come to a boiling point. When it starts simmering, take it off the heat. Pour it into 150 grams of chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate. Here I have used finely chopped, dark, semi-sweet chocolates. Stir well until all the chocolates are dissolved in the cream. Then let it cool down. Keep it in the fridge for a few minutes if you want a very thick ganache. Now our silky and smooth chocolate ganache is ready. You can use this for all your cakes and desserts. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.